The families are here as well.
Okay. I just want to understand, Mr. Okello, are you following?
Yes,
you understand English? You don't need an interpreter.
I do not.
Okay. The recovered sanity medical report for the accused dated 30th December 2025, authored by psychiatrist from C-Care, IHK, addressed to Immigration Department, Ministry of Internal Affairs, revealed that the accused had no established mental disorder, was sane and mentally fit to live and work in Uganda. He was observed to have no odd behavior throughout the medical interview. On the 31st of March 2026, the accused rented a RAV4 motor vehicle registration number UAM 645M from Tripcar Rental Uganda for self-drive purposes to facilitate his movement. On the 1st of April 2026, the accused drove motor vehicle registration number UAM 645M from Chanja to Gaba through Ntinda, Nakawa, Chibuli, Kabalagala, Bunga, and Gaba. On the same day, 1st April 2026, the accused visited Gaba Early Childhood Development Center under the guise of seeking admission for his child to survey the premises. You're committed to High Court for trial at the next convenient High Court session. This is where you will take plea and you have a right to apply for bail.
What wafunge huko? Okay, there.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.